So let us practice Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam. How to practice? Sit comfortably. That is one most important prerequisite. Shoulders should be relaxed. Elbows also should be relaxed. There is no need to keep them tight like this or too much close to the body. No. Just in a pretty relaxed position. That is one. Second thing is left hand. This is my left hand, Chin Mudra. Okay. Right hand, Nasika Mudra. Nasika Mudra is index finger and middle finger will go inside, and other two fingers will be like this. So it will basically look like this. It's an apparatus for us to close our nostrils. Another thing is chin. Gently tuck the chin towards the chest. Gently. No need to do too much. No need to pressurize too much unnecessarily. And keeping the spine straight. Okay. Now, one more thing is there. If you see my nose, you will see everybody's nose will have this. One curvature will be there. You can feel that curvature here. Okay. You can feel that curvature here. That curvature will be representing the nostril, the design of the nostril, the aperture of the nostril. If you see here, if you want to see if I put it there and then I close, externally it will not look closed, but if you see, it is the easiest point at which the nose can be obliterated completely. Now what has to be done? What has to be done? Keep just in a relaxed manner and obliterate the right nostril with the thumb. Exhale from the left nostril. Inhale from the left. Exhale from the right. Inhale. Exhale. Now some people do like this. That should not be done. I will show you what should not be done. I am showing you. Okay. Some people do like this. This should not be done. No making sound, no sucking air so fast. The flow of air should be in such a way that if somebody has kept godi hittu or wheat flour, it should not get blown away. That should be the speed of exhalation. That should be the speed of inhalation. On inhalation, it should not get sucked into your nose, and on exhalation, it should not get blown away because of your air exhalation. Okay, so let us do that. Slowly On exhalation from the left nostril, just release and relax. So this is what is Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam. Now what is Nadi? Left nostril and the right nostril. Left nostril is considered as Chandra Nadi, right nostril is considered as Surya Nadi. Chandra indirectly it represents cold, it represents parasympathetic nervous system, means cooling down of the body. Surya represents hot and it indirectly represents sympathetic nervous system. When we are clearing these two nervous systems, we are balancing these two nervous system, then a third nadi gets excited and gets activated, that is called as Sushumna Nadi. That is the purpose of Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam. It is one of the easiest pranayams to do and it has enormous benefits.